In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C cables that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UGREEN USB C to USB C Cable. The UGREEN USB C to USB C cable is a high-performance charging and data solution designed for modern USB-C devices. Supporting up to 100W fast charging with PD 3.0 and QC 3.0, it can power smartphones, tablets, and laptops efficiently, charging devices like the iPhone Pro series up to 50% in just 20 minutes when paired with a compatible charger. Its built-in eMarker smart chip intelligently regulates power delivery for safer, more stable, and highly efficient charging. Built to last, the cable features a durable nylon-braided exterior, aluminum housing, and reinforced fiber core, tested to withstand over 10,000 bends. In addition to fast charging, it also supports 480 megabits per second data transfer, making it ideal for quickly syncing photos, videos, and documents. With broad compatibility across iPhone, Samsung, MacBook, iPad, and other USB-C devices, this 2-pack cable offers reliability, speed, and long-term durability in everyday use. Number 2. Anker USB C to USB C Cable. The Anker USB C to USB C cable delivers powerful and reliable performance with support for up to 60W high-speed fast charging, making it ideal for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even gaming consoles. Built with a tough nylon-braided exterior, this cable is designed for long-lasting durability and resistance to everyday wear and bending. Anker's trusted PowerIQ 3.0 technology ensures optimized, safe, and efficient charging along with stable data transfer. This 5-pack of 6-foot cables offers excellent versatility, perfect for charging multiple devices at once or keeping spare cables at home, in the office, or while traveling. Combining strength, speed, and wide compatibility, it's a dependable charging solution for all your USB-C devices. Number 3. KYEHD USB C Cable. The KYEHD USB C to USB C cable is designed for fast, safe, and flexible charging across a wide range of USB-C devices. It supports up to 60 WPD fast charging along with 480 megabits per second data transfer, making it suitable for smartphones, tablets, and laptops such as iPhone 15-16 series, Samsung Galaxy devices, iPad Pro, and MacBook. This 3-pack of extra-long 10-foot cables offers added convenience, allowing comfortable charging at home, in the office, or in the car without being limited by outlet distance. Built for durability, the cable features reinforced nylon braiding and aluminum connectors to resist fraying, bending, and everyday wear. Integrated safety protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits ensure reliable and secure charging for your valuable devices. Number 4. QQLIKE USB C to C Cable. The QQLIKE 2-in-1 USB cable set offers a versatile and efficient charging solution with support for both USB-C to USB-C, up to 60W/3.1A, and USB-A to USB-C, up to 30W/3.1A connections. Compatible with PD 3.0 and QC 3.0, it delivers fast, reliable charging when paired with a suitable wall charger. The cable also supports 480 megabits per second data transfer, allowing seamless syncing whether your device uses a Type A or Type C port. Designed for wide compatibility, it works with laptops, tablets, and smartphones including MacBook, iPad Pro/Air, Samsung Galaxy, OnePlus, Pixel, LG, and many other USB-C devices. Built for durability, the cables feature metal connectors with laser-welded joints, high-density nylon braiding, and reinforced TPE strain relief, tested to withstand 5,000+ plug-in-unplug cycles. This 3-pack of 6-foot cables in stylish color options combines flexibility, strength, and dependable fast charging for everyday use. Number 5. SMALLElectric USB Type-C to a cable. The SMALLElectric USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable is designed for fast, safe, and reliable charging and data transfer across a wide range of USB-C devices. This 6-foot USB 2.0 cable, 5-pack, supports up to 3.0A fast charging and complies with USB Type-C specification version 1.1, featuring a built-in 56K pull-up resistor to protect your devices and legacy USB ports. Built with a durable nylon braided exterior, premium aluminum housing, and reinforced strain relief, it withstands daily wear while maintaining a secure, click-in connection. Ideal for smartphones and USB-C devices including Samsung Galaxy Note 9 8, S10/S9/S8 series, LG V series, Sony XC, HTC 10, and iPhone 15, 16, 17 series. Not compatible with iPhone models before iPhone 15. This cable delivers dependable high-speed data sync and fast charging. Compatible with wall chargers, power banks, multi-port hubs, and charging stations. It's a perfect backup or everyday charging solution at home, in the office, or on the go.